The daring and dramatic rescues unfolded all weekend across California and continued today. A devastating deluge triggering a flurry of emergency calls as the suddenly stranded were plucked from submerged cars, flooded roads, and homes that took on water.
It was like Mother Nature came alive and declared war on Sacramento.
In Sacramento County, where there's been at least one death, authorities are bracing for more.
I've worked for the Cosumnes Fire Department, or previously the Elk Grove Fire Department, for 21 years. This is the most significant flooding I've seen in this area in those 21 years.